How to enable voice chat in Roblox. So if you want to enable voice chat on your Roblox, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Roblox at first. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you have signed into your account. After opening your Roblox, you need to go with more, which is on the bottom right, and then scroll down and go with settings. Now under settings, you will have privacy and content restrictions. Tap on it. And here you will have communication. Tap on communication. And as you can see that you'll have experience chat, party, camera input, and if you have voice chat option, then it will be available right here. But if it is not here, then what you need to do is just simply go back and tap on help and safety and tap on help. Once it takes you to the help section, you need to tap on search our articles and then search for voice chat. And once you find, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on Roblox Support. And here you will have an option of need more help. So scroll down again and tap on no. Under was this article helpful? And under need more help, you'll have contact support here. You need to tap on it, which will take you to the contact us section. And you need to enter your username, your first name, your email address. You need to confirm your email address and then enter your device type, which is in my case, I'm using Android. And then the help category. Under that, you need to just scroll down and then select voice chat. Now, let me tell you one thing. Before submitting an issue, you need to make sure that you have verified your age. Because if you've not verified your age on your Roblox, then no matter what you do, you won't be able to have voice chat on your Roblox. Because you need to verify your age and it must be above a certain age, which is, I think it's 13. You need to be about 13 years old and you need to verify your age. After verifying, you will automatically have your voice chat option. But even after verifying your age, you don't have your voice chat option, then you can go with this process, which is submitting a request. So describe your issue and then tap on continue and submit your request. And within a few hours, you will receive some help or guide from your Roblox. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.